This is my first routing attempt with my new Genmitsu 4040 Pro Max, which is a CNC router. What I'm routing is a minimalistic pickguard for a medium scale Warmoth P-Bass that I just built. I didn't want a full pickguard on there because I like the sparkly paint and didn't want to cover it up. I first made one plate in OpenSCAD, and that was routed manually with a DeWalt DW600B using a template that I 3D printed. It turned out fine. I went back to OpenSCAD and designed a different shape, loaded it into Carbide Create, where I defined the toolpaths that I wanted. The first toolpath uses a straight bit to cut out where the pickups fit. The second toolpath uses a V-shaped bit for the perimeter to cut a bevel. I exported the two toolpaths and used UGS, which is Universal G-Code Sender, to run the G-code on the CNC. Here are the two pickguards side by side. Here is the original installed on the base, and here is the CNC version on the base. Neither of them have screw holes because I'm not ready to commit to drilling holes in the body, and these are mostly experimental. Friction holds these on well enough as is. I have another design coming which is going to be really cool.